In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the Zoom Whiteboard. So first I'll tap into Zoom, and then I'm going to start a new meeting. And I'm going to use my personal meeting ID to start it. And I will go directly to Share Content at the top right corner of the screen, and then choose Whiteboard. There are some basic options down in the bottom. There is a pencil. I can choose which color I want to use. Just draw a few things here to show you how some of these work. And then, of course, there is an eraser. On the left side, your best friends, the redo and undo button. So if I want to undo anything or redo, those are perfect and nice and highlighted there. You can see the little arrow next to your tools will open up a few more tools. And again, these are all pretty straightforward. There's a text tool where you can type on the screen. This controls the thickness of your lines. So if you're using the pencil, you can see now we have a little bit thinner of a line. That's a highlighter. This is to highlight, or basically a laser pointer if you wanted to show students anything. And then this last one will let you select and move or resize various elements that you have drawn on your whiteboard. You can trash everything to start over, and then there's also a 3-dot menu that allows you to save this to photos, and will give you a brand new whiteboard if you want one. And that's really it. We've literally gone through all the tools and all the capabilities of the Zoom Whiteboard. Enjoy!